Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can copy the link of X app or Twitter on your mobile device. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. So, first of all, open the X app. Next, if you want to copy a link or, for example, share a certain post, but not your own, but just someone else's post, you want to share it. Then under that post, you'll need to select this share sign at the very end. Click on it, and you can copy the link that way. Or you can immediately share this post on any of the social networks. Next, if you would like to copy a link to some user on X, then go to their page. Next, here you will need to. At the top, on the right side, click on the three dots and select Copy, and then the link will go to this person. Or you can click on the share sign, and then you share this link, for example, in a note to yourself, or in a social network, in some messenger. Also copy the link to the profile, and then share it. If you would like to share a link to your tweet or your page, then you have to open your page, go to your page. If you want to share a link to your tweet, then you're going to have to underneath it, click on Share, and then you share it just like someone else's tweet. And if you want to share a link to your tweet, then at the top on the right side, near this search magnifying glass here there should be a share button like the one here. You click on that and then you choose Copy Link. And then you copy that link and share it wherever you want. This is the way, friends, you can copy the link in the X app on your mobile device. Hope this video helped you and was useful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.